Good morning, children. Myself, Savita Jain. Welcome to 11th class. Children, as you know, lockdown is there. So, we, the teachers, decided to take online classes for you. I am maths teacher, so I will teach you mathematics. For this, I will send you my YouTube link. You will subscribe it and get my videos daily. Children, I know you are at home feeling bored, but you must utilize your time to think about your aim in life, what you want to be. If you are very good in mathematics, you must take in commerce faculty. But if your science is good, math is little bit good, you must take non-medical. I suggest you. Maths is very, very important in our life. Those who have chosen by their own interest mathematics, I will tell them what is the value of maths in their subjects in their life. In commerce, in accounts, even business studies, calculations are needed that are also related to mathematics. Similarly, if you want to be an engineer, maths plays a very, very important role there also. You pick up music. All the rhythms are settled with the help of maths. You pick up home science, cooking you are doing at home with your mothers nowadays. You must. Then you will see ratio, proportion of ingredients are there. So that is also from mathematics field. So children, nowadays you must utilize your time, think over it, discuss with your parents. Don't go with your friends' minds what they are taking. This is all about your interest. If you are good in music, then take music. If you are good in mathematics, take mathematics. If you are good in physical education, you can go for that. So don't get any confusion. You can talk to subject expert. You have mobile phones. You can go to Google. You can ask for that what you want to be. So I personally feel that there is no matter of confusion there. Stay home and stay safe. Now I will tell you all the mathematics students about the book and the syllabus. This is the NCERT book. We will do this book and the syllabus is from chapter 1 to chapter 16. All the exercises, examples, miscellaneous exercises we will do. Now I want to tell you the marks distribution scheme. Children, our written paper will be of 80 marks, but the practical paper will be of 20 marks. I will tell you how to uh, give this 80 marks in written. There are four sections there. Section A, 20 questions, each carry 1 mark. Section B, 6 questions, each carry 2 marks. Section C, 6 questions, each carry 4 marks. Section D, 4 questions, each carry 6 marks. If you will do this total, this is of 80 marks. Now children, come to practical, this is of 20 marks. I will tell you the detail. 10 marks, 2 best tests out of 3 tests. 5 marks, practical file you have to make later on. You will do 10 activities. Then 3 marks, 1 activity on the spot will be given when the practical paper is there. 2 marks Viva from your syllabus. So, children, this is all about the marks distribution of your paper scale. So, be safe and be happy, be positive, do meditation also, make the timetable and help your parents. We will meet in the next video. Thank you, students.